Hi friends, welcome to Arnav's World. Today is the 19th episode in the biology series. So today in this episode we are going to discuss about the body system of the nervous system. Yes, so the nervous system. So this is the body's communication and control network. So this system communicates and controls the body. So for example, if our brain sends a signal for us to move to somewhere, then it will send the signals for other parts of our body through the nervous system. So for example, my brain told me to move, I moved. Yes. So the nervous system carries nerve signals, which are the messages to other parts of the body. And also other parts of the body can send signals to the brain. For example, sensing. So I touched it, so this part of the skin sent a message to my brain through the nervous system. Yes. So the brain sends and receives messages along the spinal cord and billions of interconnecting nerve cells wired up to every part of the body. So this nervous system is mainly made up of the brain, the main spinal cord nerves, and all of the remaining nerves of our body. So our nervous system is made up of all of those. Yes. So the nervous system works like a high-speed internet, sending electrical signals at great speeds through nerve cells called neurons. For example, my brain sent a signal from here to my legs. So it will go very fast in a fraction of a second. Yes, very, very fast. We can't even blink in that time. Yes. So, okay. So sensory nerves send signals to the brain from sense receptors all over your body. Yes, all over your body. On our skin, over here, even on our tongue. Yes, it is in most places of our body. All of the outer skin. Yes, it is there. Yes. So, okay. So at the same time, going in the opposite directions, motor nerves send signals from the brain telling the muscles to move. So that's why I am presently moving. So my muscles didn't think to move. My brain told them to move from here to here. Yes. So the nervous system is very important. So the brain and the spinal cord, the mass of nerves running down the backbone make up the central nervous system, which is the CNS. It is the main nervous system. So it is made up of the brain and the spinal cord. So this is the main part. Remaining all are in the peripheral nervous system. Yes. So this coordinates most of the body's activities. So every other nerve signal goes from here. For example, a signal came from my hand from my hand to my brain. So it goes like this. So now exiting my hand. So now it enters the spinal cord. So now after entering the spinal cord, it will enter to the brain. Yes. So that's how messages are sent from our hand to our brain. Yes. So, okay, so nerves branch out to the rest of the body via the peripheral nervous system. Yes, so these are all over the body except the brain and the spinal cord, of course. So these are all over on the skin, or just a little deep inside the skin. There will be thousands of micro nerves. Not just thousands, not even millions, but billions. Yes. So it is a lot of them. Even if there's a very big nerve, which is not the spinal cord, that will be still placed in the peripheral nervous system instead of being placed in the central nervous system. Yes. So only the brain and spinal cord are in this central nervous system. No other nerve is in this system. or in this part of the nervous system. Yes, so the body's nervous system can transmit signals at speeds of 350 kilometers per hour. 350 kilometers per hour. Yes, that is very fast. So now I'll show a drawing of the main cells in these nerves, the neurons. So first we must erase this because we need space to draw. Yes, so okay, erase. Okay, so I think we have enough space. Let's see, make even more space. Yes, so okay, so now there is enough space for our drawing. Yes, so first let's start with the body of the cell. So this is the inside nucleus. So next, okay, so this nucleus has the this body's part thing of this nerve has the nucleus and mitochondria and those things. So it has the things which are in every other normal cell. So next are the dendrites. So these are small fibers which take in data from other neuron cells. Yes, so they input the data. Yes, so there are actually thousands of fibers for each cell, but it will take a long time to draw them, so I am drawing them simplified. Yes, so this one looks like a hand like that. So there will be many dividing areas in this. And finally, the dendrites are done. Wait a second, I left a spot. Okay, so these are the dendrites. So they look like the hair of this cell, but they're not technically hairs. So these import information from other cells. So for example, there's another cell over here. So this is another cell. There is another cell over there. So this information will go here in this path. So next it will go into the dendrites, which go into another part of the cell, the axon. So now let's draw the axon. So it is a thicker fiber than the dendrites. So it is a bit similar to the dendrites, but also not the dendrites. It is very thick. So again, it also has branching areas. Yes, so these branch. So while these dendrites will import the data, these axon will export the data. So example, there's another cell over here with its dendrites. So it connected with that cell. So that information will come from here, down, and will go to this area, to the other cell, dendrites. Yes, so neuron cells can only talk with other neuron cells only. So, and finally, synapses. So for information to go from one neuron cell to another neuron cell, there must be small chemicals called neurotransmitters. For those electrical signals to jump from one cell to another cell. Yes, so these synapses, which are at the end of each axon branch, have these neurotransmitter chemicals. So that's why they will transmit information to another cell. Yes, so yeah, this is about this neuron. Yes, so it is very easy to learn. And this is not only the only type of neuron. Some neurons are like, they go like this. Their axon is all over the place with some dendrites over here. Yes, so some neurons have many axons. instead of just one axon. And yes, so this simplified version of the neuron has just one axon. Yes, so we can understand. Yeah. And also one fun fact, the longest neuron cell, yes, one long neuron cell goes in our leg. Yes, it is one long humongous cell. Yes, it is not this long, but it's like this long. So it is humongous compared to every other cell in our human body. Yes, yeah. So this is for today about the nervous system and neurons. Bye.